You walk out in your garden and something's just not right. Leaves are chewed up, plants look stripped, and it feels like it all happened overnight. Yesterday everything looked fine. Today it looks like something marched through and tore it all apart. That's not random damage. That could be armyworms. Today we're going to talk about how to identify armyworms, why they can be such a problem, and what you can do to stop them before they take over your garden. Okay, armyworms. I cannot stand these things. They are irritating as all get out, and let's be real, they are a caterpillar, so they're the larva stage of a moth. Now they can be different colors. I have dealt with armyworms constantly in this garden throughout the years, and I've already found one so far this year, right over there. So they are out. They will show up basically overnight. And they're called armyworms because you find one, there are more coming. It's like they travel in packs or something. It's crazy. But you got to be alert for them. So here's what you're looking for. Now, where do you need to look? You need to look on the undersides of leaves. That's where they're going to focus their attacking energy. They'll also be on the stems. They like to feed in the mornings and the evenings when it's cool, and you can't miss them. You will see telltale signs that they're out there, or that they're in your garden. And a lot of times, if you train your eyes correctly for what your garden should look like, their dark bodies against the light green of most tomato plants stick out like a bat signal. So make sure, again, you are paying attention to your plants, you're looking deeply into them, and you're looking for anything that doesn't look right. Let me just put it that. Now, why do gardeners care so much about these specific caterpillars? Because they can create damage, y'all, basically overnight. That's literally how it feels. You'll come out, everything will be beautiful in the morning. You come out in the evening and you've got branches stripped, leaves all chewed to no end, and it's like that, very quick. So you need to be alert, you need to be looking. Now, what you want to do is, like with any other pest, you want to catch them early, because if you allow an armyworm infestation to occur, you're going to lose plants. Not trying to scare you, and if you're a beginner gardener, this is something you really need to be aware of. Pests are an issue. They're part of gardening, but the biggest thing is staying on top of them, staying ahead of them, being prepared for when you see them. How are you going to handle them? I advise you dispatch them in any way you can, as quickly as you can. That's all I'm going to say. Period. Okay, Chad, but how do we handle them when we see them? What should we do? Very first step, y'all, like I've just said, is you got to be in your garden. You got to be inspecting your garden. And I like to say it this way: with the enthusiasm that you have to get out in your garden and to look for those big tomatoes, those big fruits, to see what's growing, that kind of excitement, same level of intensity you should have for checking your plants for pests. Exactly the same. You need to be out there dealing with what you're seeing, looking, inspecting your plants. That's the first thing you need to do. So if you see them, what do? I like to just pick them off, or give them a loving embrace, or I like to give them a haircut, if you know what I mean. That's how I handle those things. Now, if you want to go a different route, you can also spray your plants with BT. It is a organic compound that will take out caterpillars at different stages of their development. Those are the ways to handle an outbreak, or be prepared, be proactive on dealing with armyworms. Two different ways. I just go the route where when I see it, I deal with it. But again, that's just me. You do what's best for you and your garden, period. Now, wrapping up armyworms, let's just be real clear. They multiply very quick. They show up basically overnight. It's literally how it feels. But if you're in your garden, if you're paying attention to your garden, if you're always looking for pests, bottom line, if you're on top of your garden, if you're paying attention to your garden, if you're always looking in your garden and knowing what to look for and allowing your eyes to pick out what doesn't look right, you're going to be on top of your pest game. And especially with these dirty little punks, you'll be able to handle them very quick before they become an infestation and take out a bunch of plants. So, on the topic of armyworms, are they a friend or a foe? Yeah, they're an absolute enemy, so foe for sure. All right, everyone, so that's it. That's all you basically need to know about armyworms. Just be alert, prepared, and on guard, so to speak. So if y'all learned anything from this video, if you got anything out of it, if you enjoyed this video at all, do me the 5 favors: share, like, comment, hype, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. And y'all take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you and your gardens, and I'll talk to you again real soon.